My name is Ferhat Yildiz, and as a linguist,
I have personally learned 8 languages using this method.
now, you too can achieve rapid language proficiency with the Ferhat Yildiz method.
Ready to see how easy it is to learn a foreign language? Simply follow along with me twice a day, from the first lesson to the end of the free lessons. Without taking notes, in less than a week, you'll be speaking the new language.
We will start learning Spanish by learning some verbs and words that we use a lot in our everyday life. Let's begin our lesson.
Ser,
To be,
estar,
to be,
hacer,
to do,
comer,
to eat,
beber,
to drink,
dormir,
to sleep,
ir,
to go,
venir,
to come,
hablar,
to speak,
aprender,
to learn,
quedarse,
to stay,
jugar,
to play,
trabajar,
to work,
vivir,
entender,
o understand,
oír,
to hear,
ver,
to see,
mirar,
to look,
escuchar,
to listen,
llamar,
to call,
comprar,
to buy,
conocer,
to know,
saber,
to know,
amar,
to love,
querer,
to love, to want, die,
to give, contar,
to tell,
decir,
to say,
responder,
to answer,
ayudar.
to help.
These were the verbs we needed to learn in the first place. Now let's learn some other words.
Feliz,
Happy,
triste,
sad,
tímido,
shy,
el agua,
the water,
el café,
the coffee,
la casa,
the home,
inglés,
el fútbol,
the football,
aquí,
here,
allí,
there,
equivocado,
wrong,
en casa,
at home,
el coche,
the car,
este,
this,
ese,
that,
esto.
it.
In Spanish, there are 2 articles, el and la. These articles can be daunting for beginners because their usage isn't always straightforward, however. Don't worry about mastering them right now. Focus on learning nouns with their corresponding articles as provided. We will delve into how these articles function and simplify the learning process in future lessons. First, let's tackle imperative sentences, which are commands. Forming imperative sentences in Spanish is quite simple.
When we want to create informal imperative sentences in Spanish, we generally remove the "are" ending from regular verbs. This simple adjustment transforms the verb into its command form, making it easy to give direct instructions or requests in an informal context.
Hablar,
To speak,
habla,
speak, understanding,
and mastering
irregular verbs and informal.
imperatives
Irregular verbs are unique
in that they don't follow the standard rules of conjugation.
to effectively use these verbs
We need to learn them,
as they are,
memorizing their specific forms.
and usages.
Although it might seem challenging at first,
With practice,
and repetition,
you will become comfortable with these exceptions.
sé,
Feliz,
be happy,
hazlo.
do it.
Now, let's move on to creating informal imperatives. Informal imperatives are commands or requests made in a casual or familiar manner, typically used with friends, family, or peers. They are essential for everyday conversation and help in giving directions, making suggestions, or offering advice in a friendly tone.
By mastering irregular verbs and their informal imperatives,
You'll enhance your fluency and confidence in using the language naturally.
let's dive into some examples.
And practice forming these imperative structures.
Together,
Eat,
bebe agua,
drink water,
duerme pronto,
sleep early,
ve,
go,
ven,
come,
habla inglés,
speak English,
aprende inglés,
learn English,
quédate aquí,
stay here,
juega al fútbol,
play football,
trabaja aquí,
work here, vive en Istanbul,
live,
in Istanbul,
mira,
look,
escucha,
listen,
llama,
call,
buy,
dale,
give it,
dilo,
say it,
responde,
answer,
ayuda,
help. Mastering informal negative sentences in Spanish.
When forming informal negative sentences in Spanish,
It's essential to consider the verb conjugation according to the personal pronoun tu.
Let's take a closer look at how this works using the verb hablar.
As an example,
For the second person singular, the conjugation of hablar is
tú hablas.
you speak. To turn this into a negative imperative sentence for verbs ending in R, change the A in the last syllable to E.
No hables.
Don't speak.
In verbs ending with and the letter E in the last syllable is made.
Let's look at our examples.
Tú aprendes.
You learn.
No aprendas.
Don't learn.
Now let's continue practicing with more negative imperative sentences. This will help you become more comfortable and confident in using these structures in everyday conversations.
No estés triste.
Don't be sad.
No lo hagas.
Don't do it.
No lo comas.
Don't eat it.
No bebas agua.
Don't drink water.
No duermas temprano.
Don't sleep early.
No vayas.
Don't go.
No vengas.
Don't come.
No hables inglés.
Don't speak English.
No aprendas inglés.
Don't learn English.
No te quedes aquí.
Don't stay here. No juegues al fútbol.
Don't play football.
No trabajes aquí.
Don't work here.
No vivas en Londres.
Don't live in London.
No mires.
Don't look.
No escuches.
Don't listen.
No llames.
Don't call.
No compres este coche.
Don't buy this car.
No des.
Don't give.
No lo digas.
Don't tell.
No respondas.
Don't answer.
No ayudes.
Don't help.
We've reached the end of this lesson where you've begun your rapid language learning journey. To continue your progress and unlock the secrets of fast language learning, visit my website fimol.com. All my lessons are available there, providing you with the resources you need to succeed. Let's keep the momentum going. Move on to the next lesson and continue learning Spanish quickly and effectively. See you in the next lesson.